So it started from basically a personal obsession with sushi. I watched a particular documentary called End of the Line.
Okay.
It talks about overfishing issues and how the sushi industry contributes to that, mainly with farmed salmon and tuna. And I just thought, I'm a big lover of the ocean, and this is awful, we need to change this. And no one really was offering sushi without fish in it. We opened a store in Brighton just over a year ago, but the festival units, like the street food vans, have been running for 4 years now. We're looking at growing, potentially opening up new stores. What makes Happy Maki stand out? It's two things. So it's affordable fast food. We've kind of created a technique that you can see here. It's actually very rare to find sushi companies that will roll it fresh for the customer, and to us that makes a massive difference. And the second thing, I think, is the charities that we support. Every roll that you buy from us, we plant a tree through Eden reforestation projects, and we also feed a child through Mary's Meals.